Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this fourth day of November 2025. Just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room by myself and others. So here we go. We went with the strong candle indicator as we usually do. It's only found at samuraidaytrading.com, and it tells us that we want to take a trade in the direction the arrow is pointing. So it's green and it's pointing up. So we're going to take a trade off the body of this strong candle right here and take it long. Now we do have a few things in the way, and we look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 70. Well, you see it's dropping from 132 down to 70. So let's say 70 to 90 ticks in length. We're going to pair our ATM to that, use our standard 16s, 30s, and 60s to make sure that we get paid. A little small on this one, but because we have things in the way, we'll keep it smaller than we normally would for that type of volatility. So here we go. This is how it went down today. So we're going to buy. Here's a beautiful move down. Lovely. Put the order on, wait to get picked up, put the stop where it belongs, and then just let the trade run out. So put the stop where it belongs. Brilliant. And now we can see how we go. Take a little bit of time. Speed it up just a little bit. We don't want to be here all day. But the main thing is knowing how to get into the trade and putting your stop where it belongs, and then you just leave the trade alone. Now, notice what happens when our first target gets hit. We'll de-risk the trade. It seems like a lot of risk right now, but as soon as the first target gets taken out, we de-risk the trade completely. Now, if it comes back and takes us out, we need to be ready with another trade, and I may have done that. You can see it's going pretty quickly. Put another trade on, and we got it going too fast. All right, we need well, okay. We're out again. So second time through. First two targets are out, and then we run through. I'm pretty sure we run through a 60 tick target here. There we go. Boom. That trade took about a little more than 4 minutes to complete and was worth 640 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 640 US dollars in under 5 minutes, come and join us at the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.